Computer are machine that can make our work easier to do. We can play games, communicate with other people, store pictures, work on them, and even move files between different devices. Read about the different hardware that makes up a computer on the following side. A computer monitor is like a TV screen that shows us pictures and words from the computer. A file folder, place to store and keep important work and pictures organized on the computer. Wi-Fi is help different devices talk to each other without needing wires. A computer mouse help us move things on the computer screen and click to open and close things. Headphones are worn over the head or fit on your ears so that you can hear the sound coming from your device. A tablet is a device that we can touch and swipe to play games, read stories and draw pictures on the screen. A printer is a machine that helps us make copies of pictures and words from the computer onto paper. A smartwatch is worn on our wrist. It tells us the time, counts our steps, and even lets us read messages from our phone. A laptop is a portable computer screen and keyboard that we can carry around to play games, watch video and do schoolwork whenever we go. A disk is a storage device that keeps files from the computer like games, schoolwork, pictures, and movies. A game console connects to the TV and lets us play video games using a controller. A USB is a storage device that we plug into the computer and can move files around from one device to another. A smartphone lets us make calls, take pictures, play games, and download different apps on. A webcam is a camera on the computer that can take pictures or videos letting us talk other people who live far away. A desktop computer has a screen, keyboard, and mouse. It allows us to play games, use the internet, and draw pictures. A keyboard has letters, numbers, and direction arrows that let us type text into the computer. Using objects from around the classroom that are of similar shape and size, build your own home office with as many peripherals as you can.